we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done.
We started our daily routine of waking up, having a morning coffee, breakfast, a quick swim, and then off to the next island, which today is Warderick Wells, and this passage is going to take a few hours, so what do you do in the meantime? Well, unlike a car or an airplane, you're free to move about the boat at all times, and there's a certain freedom that you don't get to experience with other modes of travel. So you can hang out on the sky bridge, play a card game in the salon, lay out on a lounger or on the trampolines on the bow. No matter what you do, just relax and take it all in. See the ocean roll up and down, hear the holes piercing through the water, smell the ocean air, and feel the wind. Just let time slow down and take in these fleeting moments. And the next thing we knew, we were navigating a narrow channel of water that led us to my version of paradise on Earth. We pulled into Warderick Wells and my eyes literally could not believe what they were seeing. The sand was so bright and the water was a combination of every perfect shade of turquoise you could ever imagine. We began navigating the narrow mooring field until we found our assigned spot, number 12, and once we got everything tightened up, we hung out for a bit, had lunch, and then took in some snorkeling on the south side of the channel. Unfortunately, there wasn't too much sea life out, so we headed back to the boat and got ready to hang out at the sandbar for the rest of the day. But first, Asher and Sophia hopped onto the stand-up paddleboard to make an ice run and made a new friend along the way named Billie the Shark.
They are.
Yeah.
Chilling, swimming against the current.
Look at him.
That is cool, right?
Dad, go get him.
I don't know where he's at.
I think he's headed back
if it gets close.
Okay, you ready?
He's right here.
Asher just jumped in the water. Oh my gosh. See if you can reach down and pet him.
Billie is the neighborhood nurse shark who is probably just checking us out and seeing what we're up to. Nurse sharks are generally harmless to humans. In fact, they don't even have teeth and kind of look like catfish in a way. Billie was kind enough to hang out for a bit and let us pet him, so that was pretty cool.
Can we see it again?
Still filming.
Oh, he's dead. Oh, he's so sad. He's so sad.
One thing we noticed was that every time we put the GoPro in the water, Billie would swim toward it, and then when we took it out, he'd kind of swim away. And you've always kind of heard that sharks are sensitive to electromagnetic fields, so it was kind of cool just to actually see that in nature.
I'm taking over my dad's channel.
Yo, guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm installing stand up random people.
Hey guys! You wanna see underwater? Okay, go. Was that cool? Was that cool, guys? This is my brother. Say hi. Look at all of it. No. This is my mother. Say hey. This is my dad. Say hi.
Hi.
And this is underwater. Oh, look at our boat, guys. You probably can't see it. Sorry. Look at my dad's drone. That's my dad's drone. How do you pronounce the motor name? Oh, Yamaha. That's the oh, it just died. It died.
No, the screen goes black and it's not.
Is it still recording?
If you touch the screen, the back screen, it'll come back on.
That's G-A-L-A. Gola. That's the, what's it called? The dinghy? The dinghy or tender, whatever you call it. That's the boat brand. It's green. It's green. It's green as yellow.
I've seen him do that, and they're swimming in the water and trying to barely. Are you done with it? Okay, it's still recording.
Mickey said that helicopter was probably on the way to Nassau to pick up a yacht owner and then fly them back to their yacht, which was somewhere south of where we were. So.
Really? That's crazy.
Warderick Wells is the headquarters of the Exuma Cays Land and Sea Park, which is 176 square miles. It was established in 1958 by the Bahamas National Trust, which is charged with the conservation and preservation of the park. It's not just sea life they're protecting, it's also animals such as the Bahama oriole or the Bahamian rock iguana, which we sort of saw in episode 1. But now we're headed for a hike to see about the legend of Boo Boo Hill.
Stinky the pilot whale.
Wait, his name is Stinky?
That's what it says right here.
Huh. I thought like they were stinky. This one of 4 pilot whales was found stranded at Norman's Cay on August 2010.
This is the remains of a 52-foot sperm whale that was killed by plastics, a harsh reminder of the consequences of our consumption of single-use plastics. The hike to Boo Boo Hill is a relatively easy one that covers rocks, sand, coral, and a river depending on the tide. The legend of Boo Boo Hill says that a ship sank during a stormy night, killing all souls on board. It has since become a tradition for visitors to leave a piece of driftwood behind with the name of their ship on Boo Boo Hill. It's viewed as an offering to Neptune and other sea gods for good sailing and safe passage.
3, 2, 1, go.
Got up here.
And you can't end the day without doing some jackknives off the bow.
Woo! Big splash.
7 on it? No, let's make this one your train. What color do you want?
Pink.
Haha.
Oh man.
Kids
Claws are
older.
coming out early.
You do realize that I make all your food. I make the dessert.
Guess what you get for breakfast?
I bring the cookies out. Yeah.
And
What
she
did-
did the VIP earlier.
Oh yeah.
He gets the pink tray.
I gave you the VIP ride, but you know, this is how I get repaid.
I know.
I don't know, I think we're friends.
Not the
eh?
pink.
That just means he likes you.
Showing it in a very strange way. Right, Cameron.
Yes.
You said if we
Oh my god, he starts to shake.
Hey!
Whoa. Let all the other boys know.
What color?
Red.
started trying again.
The sound of a dying giraffe.
Something. Dying something.
Something's dying for sure. It's probably my soul. Anyways, go ahead. Hey.
Say, go ahead.
I said it's probably my soul, but anyways,
So,
go ahead.
whatever. Go, yeah. Proceed. As you wish.
Oh, Megan's out.
He's out.
Could have been in here too.
Yeah, same either way.
I didn't even notice. I was just the moment you didn't play on the 8th, I was like,
You're
okay.
Over there. Slide it. Game over.
Good stuff, guys.
The sun dipped into the water much like our sandbar, so that'll do it for this episode. Tune in next time where we'll snorkel the aquarium and find more slices of paradise. Thanks for watching.
Been 1 or 2 since I ran into you. Do you need a picture? Well, I get so. It's hard to take one when your iPhone's full. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you